Welcome. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is News Now Overnight and I am Hina Gambhir. And it is a big day, viewers, as far as India's contingent at the Paris Olympics is concerned. It's a historic day for India at the Paris Olympics. After 3 bronze medals in shooting, the Indian contingent at the Paris Olympics is all set for a medal of a different color this time. I'm talking about Vinesh Phogat, who has become the first Indian woman to enter the wrestling final at the Olympics. In the afternoon today, she defeated the world #1, and now she has defeated Guzman Lopez of Cuba 5-0 to enter Olympics 2024 Women's Wrestling 50 kg final. This is historic. Vinesh Phogat has stormed into final, something that has not been done by any other woman wrestler from the country. It is a very, very significant day. She is unstoppable, and there you can see visuals of her family members, her relatives, people in her village, all of them rejoicing this proud moment that Vinesh Phogat has given to all of us. My colleague Karishma, who is in Paris right now, is joining us live at this point in time. Karishma, what a day it has been. On one hand, it's India versus Germany, the hockey match that's going on, and on the other hand, Vinesh Phogat has at least assured India of one more medal of a different color and now eyeing a gold one.
Well, yes, absolutely, Hina. Even as I speak to you on the phone, I'm inside the hockey venue where the scoreline is 1-1. Of course, there's a lot of crowd here and everyone is in support of the Indian team. But let's talk about Vinesh Phogat, Hina. What she has done is historic. She's gone where no
Karishma,
other Indian
sorry, I'm just
wrestler
interrupting you there for a moment. We have Vijinder Singh also now joining us on the broadcast, the Indian boxer. Remember, he had become the first Indian boxer to win an Olympic medal in 2008 Beijing Olympics. Vijinder Singh, thank you for joining us here on Times Now. What a day for Vinesh Phogat. Now she has assured India of one more medal.
Yes, without a doubt, and we did it finally. Vinesh did it because it's been due from the long time. We are expecting last Olympic and Rio Olympic, but every time she missed it very, very close all the time. But finally she did it. She's in the final. And hope for the that tomorrow she will go for the gold and win gold medal for India, for you, for me, and for younger generations.
Well, absolutely. It's a historic moment, Vijinder, because what Vinesh Phogat has done today for Indian wrestling, for women Indian wrestlers specifically, nobody else really could do. And she is definitely going to be a big inspiration. Of course, now, all eyes are going to be on the final match. But the way she has performed, the way she defeated the world #1, how will you like to react to her performance so far?
Man, that's beautiful. I've seen that match. She fought against that Japanese girl, and she was the Olympic champion, world champion. But she played so good, so relaxed, so calm, so focused. जितनी भी तारीफ की जाए कम है. We can't say कि she didn't lose focus. I don't think so. No, she played so good, brilliant.
Thank you very much, Vijinder, for joining us. Clearly, it is a moment of pride for each one of us. Let me try and go back to Karishma.